In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete introduction video on Upwork. We'll move through this quickly and clearly, using a desktop browser so everything matches what you see on screen. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and hit enter. Click the official Upwork result to open the website. If you prefer, you can go directly to the site by entering the address in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, log into your freelancer account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Upwork, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or your initials. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Account Settings. Depending on your region or interface updates, it might simply say Settings, but it leads to the same place. Upwork may ask you to verify your identity or re-enter your password for security. If that happens, go ahead and complete that prompt to proceed. Inside the Settings area, find and click My Profile. This takes you to your freelancer profile configuration, which is where your introduction video lives. Give the page a second to load fully so all profile sections appear. If you're working on a smaller screen or a mobile browser, switch to the desktop site for the clearest view and easier navigation. On your profile page, locate the section that displays your introduction video. You'll see a thumbnail or player where your video is shown. Next to that, look for a small trash bin icon. That icon is the delete control specifically for your video. Click the trash bin to start removing the video. If you don't see the icon, double-check that you're on the correct profile section and that a video is currently set. If there's no video, there's nothing to delete. A confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the video. Read the prompt so you understand that this action removes your introduction video from your profile. When you're ready, click Delete to confirm. The change is applied right away, and your introduction video will be removed from your public profile. Your other profile details, like your overview, portfolio, and work history, are not affected by this action. To verify the change, refresh your profile page and confirm the video is no longer visible. If you decide to add a new introduction video later, you can return to the same profile area and upload it again. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Upwork profile exactly how you want it.